transferring 10,000 through a banking app. You click send money, and within seconds the money reaches the receiver's account. But have you ever wondered what if happens if the money gets deducted twice? The transaction fails, but the amount is debited. A hacker accesses customer data. This where FinTech QA testing becomes extremely important. In today's video, we will understand three major responsibilities of a QA engineer in FinTech applications: compliance, compliance testing, security testing, transaction validation. What is FinTech? FinTech stands for financial technology. Examples include Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, online banking, online banking applications, investment, and trading platforms. Since these applications deal with money and sensitive customer information, testing sensitive customer information, testing requirements are much stricter than regular software. First, compliance testing. Compliance means ensuring that the application follows all financial regulations and industry standards. As a QA engineer, you need to verify that the application complies with legal and regulatory requirements. Example: suppose a banking app requires customer identity verification before allowing large transactions. You should verify: is KYC mandatory? Are required documents validated correctly? Can users bypass verification? QA checklist. Verify regulatory requirements. Validate customer onboarding process. Check audit logs. Ensure required disclosures are displayed. Verify data retention policies. Why is it important? If compliance rules are violated, companies can face huge penalties. Customer trust can be damaged. Regulatory authorities may take action. Second, security testing. Security is one of the most critical areas in fintech. Financial applications store bank account details, card information, and personal data transaction history. QA focus areas: authentication, authentication testing, verify login functionality, password policies, multi factor authentication, MFA, session, timeout, authorization testing. Check: can normal users access admin features? Are permissions properly properly enforced data protection testing. Verify sensitive data is encrypted, customer information is protected. Secure secure communication protocols are used. Example: a user should never be able to see another customer's account details simply by changing a URL or account number. Third, transaction validation. This is the heart of FinTech testing. Testing transaction validation ensures that every financial transaction is processed accurately. Example: scenario: user transfers 500, expected behavior, amount detected from sender, amount created to receiver, transaction recorded in database, confirmation confirmation message generated. All four steps must happen correctly. Important transaction test cases test cases: successful transaction. Verify amount detected correctly, receiver gets exact amount, transaction status is successful. Failed transaction. Verify amount is not detected not detected incorrectly, proper error message is shown. Duplicate transaction prevention. Example: users clicks pay multiple times. Verify only one transaction is processed. No duplicate no duplicate payments occur. Network failure testing. Verify system handles encryptions properly. No data inconsistency occurs. Uh, receive reversible reversal and refund testing. Verify failed payments are reversed, refunds are processed accurately. Real life example: imagine an online payment system. User initiates payment. As a QA engineer, you must validate transaction amount, account balance, account balance updates, database entries, notification messages, payment receipts, transaction history records. One small defect can impact thousands of customers and millions of rupees. Skills required for FinTech QA. To become a FinTech QA professional, learn manual testing, API testing, SQL and database, validation, security, testing basics, banking, payment, domain knowledge, automation, testing, compliance, compliance concepts. These skills make you highly valuable in banking and financial companies. Conclusion: FinTech QA is much more than finding bugs. A QA engineer ensures compliance with regulations, protection of customer data accurate, financial transactions without proper QA testing, financial applications can face security branches, compliance issues, and transaction failures. That's why FinTech QA is one of the most critical and rewarding domains in software testing. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more QA and software testing.